What?
I don't like the sides.
You didn't like the sides when it went twisty on the sides? No? Hey Dexter, did you like it?
Yeah.
You liked it?
Yeah.
Was it fun?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, she did it.
She didn't like it?
No.
No. Dexter, you liked it?
Yeah.
What was your favorite part, buddy?
That roller coaster.
You like the whole part of the roller coaster?
Yeah.
Yeah, there wasn't a favorite part?
Yeah.
Which was your favorite part?
The track.
On the tracks. It was like a really fast choo-choo train, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Uphill.
Uphill.
Yeah.
That was pretty cool.
This side.
Yeah.
Uphill. This side.
Yeah.
Not this side.
Not that side?
No.
Which
just
side?
Only that side.
You like that side?
Yeah. What was that?
I think that was Donald Duck's ship.
Oh. I still want to be